Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ready to withdraw your earnings from Forex Royale? Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Forex Royale to your bank account. First of all, open your browser and visit the Forex Royale website. Log in with your credentials, like username and password. Once logged in, go to your account dashboard. Find and click on the withdrawal or funds section. Now you will have a few options to choose from. Bank transfer, secure but might have higher fees and slower processing times. Credit and debit card, fast and convenient through subject to daily or weekly limits. E-wallet, e-wallets like PayPal or Skrill, quick with low fees, perfect for smaller withdrawals. And finally, cryptocurrencies. Low fees, but extra steps may be required to convert to cash. Select your method, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and provide any required details like your bank account to wallet information. Double check your withdrawal details and confirm the request. You will receive a confirmation notice or email once it's processed. And that's it. Your funds are on their way. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching.